Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install FFmpeg on Windows and also how to add the path of FFmpeg to system environment variables in Windows. First, we're going to open the FFmpeg website and download the build for Windows by BTBN. It's going to be the file win64gplzip, and we're going to download it. Once it's downloaded, open it, cut it, and paste it on the C drive. And then we're gonna rename it to FFmpeg. Open the bin folder, select the files, cut them, and paste them on the root folder. Then we can delete the rest of the files as we don't need them. Now we're gonna copy the path by clicking just here and copy. And then we're gonna press the Windows key and type edit. And we're gonna click on edit the system environment variables. Then we're gonna open the environment variables. And then we're gonna double click on path. And we're gonna create a new path by clicking on new, and we're gonna paste the FFmpeg path. Then we're gonna click on OK, and it should be done. And to check, we're gonna open the command prompt by pressing the Windows key and typing cmd. Then we're gonna right click and run it as administrator. And now we're gonna type FFmpeg and press enter. And as you can see, everything is there, so you can type exit, and that's it. It should be done. I hope this video was helpful, and I see you in the next video.